Welcome back to Car Insight, where we take a closer look at the newest vehicles, the technology behind them, and the details that make them worth talking about. Today, we are looking at one of the most fascinating luxury SUVs connected to Toyota's legendary engineering philosophy, the 2026 to 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser Century SUV. This is a vehicle that combines the commanding presence of a full-size SUV with the quiet luxury and executive character associated with the Century nameplate. Starting with the exterior, the Century SUV immediately stands apart from the typical aggressive luxury SUV design. Instead of relying on oversized air intakes, sharp body lines, and an exaggerated sporty appearance, Toyota takes a more formal approach. The front end looks upright, confident, and highly sophisticated. The large vertical grille creates an unmistakable road presence, while the carefully designed lighting gives the SUV a modern but restrained appearance. The front lighting signature is especially important because it helps create the Century SUV's identity. The headlights look precise and premium without appearing overly complicated. The body itself has a wide and planted stance, giving the vehicle a sense of stability even when it is standing still. Large wheels, clean body surfaces, and carefully sculpted proportions help create the impression of an executive vehicle rather than a traditional off-road SUV. Moving toward the side, the long body and tall profile provide plenty of visual presence. The doors are large, the windows create an executive-style cabin atmosphere, and the overall design emphasizes comfort rather than aggressive performance. Toyota has clearly focused on making the Century SUV look expensive without making it look desperate for attention. At the rear, the design continues that philosophy. The rear lighting creates a wide visual signature, while the broad tailgate and substantial bumper emphasize the SUV's size. Depending on specification and market, details such as exhaust outlets and premium trim elements can add to its upscale appearance. From behind, the Century SUV looks wide, stable, and extremely formal. Inside the cabin, the experience becomes even more interesting. The 2026 to 2027 Century SUV is designed around quietness, comfort, and premium materials. The dashboard follows a clean and disciplined layout, with technology integrated into the cabin rather than overwhelming it. High-quality leather, carefully finished surfaces, premium trim, and soft-touch materials create an environment that feels closer to a luxury lounge than a conventional Toyota interior. The front seats are designed to provide excellent long-distance comfort. There is generous space for both the driver and front passenger, while the driving position gives the driver a clear view over the road. The controls are positioned to remain intuitive, and the cabin focuses on reducing unnecessary visual clutter. But the real story is the rear cabin. The Century name has traditionally been associated with executive transportation, and that philosophy becomes extremely important in the SUV. Rear passengers can expect deeply cushioned seating, generous legroom, premium materials, and an atmosphere designed for relaxation. Depending on configuration, features such as power-adjustable executive seats, rear entertainment technology, fold-out tables, climate controls, privacy-focused features, and a panoramic roof can transform the rear section into a highly comfortable mobile office or lounge. One of the biggest advantages of this approach is that Toyota does not need to fill every surface with technology to make the cabin feel luxurious. Instead, the emphasis is on how the vehicle makes passengers feel. When it comes to performance, the Century SUV is not designed to behave like a sports SUV. Its mission is completely different. The goal is effortless acceleration, smooth power delivery, excellent stability, and a refined driving experience. Toyota's hybrid technology plays an important role in this philosophy. Rather than focusing purely on maximum horsepower, the powertrain is engineered to deliver strong low-speed response and smooth acceleration. The electric assistance can make the vehicle feel more immediate when pulling away, while the gasoline engine provides additional power during higher speed driving. The large SUV body also requires sophisticated suspension and chassis tuning. A luxury vehicle at this level needs to absorb road imperfections without becoming disconnected from the driver. The Century SUV therefore focuses on maintaining a calm, controlled ride while keeping the body stable through corners and during highway driving. Noise isolation is another major part of the experience. Luxury is not simply about leather and screens. True luxury also means reducing the sounds and vibrations that normally remind you that you are traveling inside a large machine. Toyota's focus on refinement helps the Century SUV create a peaceful environment for both front and rear passengers. Now we come to the price, and this is where things become particularly interesting. The exact American market pricing, specifications, availability, and final equipment can vary depending on Toyota's launch strategy and trim configuration. Because the Century SUV occupies an unusual position above mainstream Toyota products, buyers should expect pricing significantly higher than conventional Toyota SUVs and potentially competitive with established ultra-luxury SUVs. That puts the Century SUV into direct competition with vehicles such as the Lexus LX, Cadillac Escalade, Lincoln Navigator, Range Rover, and Mercedes Maybach GLS. But Toyota's strategy is different. Instead of trying to win through brand prestige alone, the Century SUV attempts to win through craftsmanship, engineering, reliability, comfort, and understated exclusivity. And that may be its biggest advantage. The Century name carries decades of history, and Toyota has an opportunity to introduce that philosophy to a completely different type of customer. American buyers who want a large luxury SUV but prefer understated design and Japanese engineering could find this vehicle extremely appealing. So, the 2026 to 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser Century SUV is not simply another large luxury SUV. It represents Toyota's attempt to bring its highest level of executive-focused craftsmanship into a body style that has become incredibly important in the global luxury market. It combines a commanding exterior, an exceptionally comfortable interior, refined hybrid performance, advanced technology, and a philosophy centered around quiet luxury rather than unnecessary attention. The biggest question is whether American buyers will be ready to choose a Toyota when vehicles like the Escalade, Range Rover, and Mercedes Maybach are sitting in the same conversation. For some buyers, the answer may be yes. Because when luxury becomes this refined, the badge may not be as important as what happens every time you close the door, start the engine, and settle into the cabin. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure you subscribe to Car Insight and turn on notifications for more detailed reviews of the newest luxury, performance, and flagship vehicles. Thanks for watching Car Insight, and I'll see you in the next review.